This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 6628. It is in like new condition. It is a used chassis. The mileage is 48,840. The chassis is a 2016 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is two-wheel drive. The engine is a V10 gasoline. The overall length is under 23 feet. The overall height is under 107. The headroom is 72 inches. It is a Medtec ambulance conversion. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new wheel-in siren and wheel-in speakers, new wheel-in exterior LEDs. It has a new trip light inverter and charger, a new hose line HVAC system, including new hoses and fittings. It is a 2016 Ford E450 with 48,840 miles. It has a V10 gasoline engine. The configuration is L1 oxygen. It has a Zico list for an H cylinder. L number 2 has two adjustable slide-out shelves and trays. L number 3 upper has inside and outside access. L3 lower also has an adjustable slide-out shelf and tray. Unit has all new drip rails, all new sill plates, all new rub rails, new aluminum diamond plate running boards, mud guards, and corner guards. It also has a new aluminum diamond plate rear step and flip-up step. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat. It has a unique rear cabinet area with storage behind and above. It has a forward action area. It has a VMUX multiplexing system with a head at the action area and also a head inside the cab. It has a roll-up storage compartment behind the attendant seat. Inverter is housed below. It has a new console with a VMUX control head, new wheel-in siren head, area to install radios, also a place to store beverages and documents. Has a locking cabinet above the ALS, inside-outside access for the ALS cabinet, accessed by a roll-up door on the inside, adjustable shelves. Has a glove storage above the curbside door, storage above the squad bench. It has a flip-up squad bench lid with storage beneath. It also has a 110-volt heater with its own shoreline inlet for in-station or out-station heating of the unit when not in service. Sharps container and trash. Right rear compartment is for backboard storage. So long boards on the right side. Left side has storage for a stair chair, adjustable shelf above. Has an adjacent compartment, also with small storage. Wheel well intersection lights above the rear wheels. The ALS cabinet has inside-outside access with adjustable shelves. It's a battery storage, one under hood and one in the battery compartment with a slot for an additional battery if needed. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 6628, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.